Quick video on changing the windshield wiper blades on the 2017 Mini Cooper. First of all, you're going to bring up one of your blade arms like that and put a towel down. If you do happen to let go of this at the wrong time, you don't want your arm to actually crack your windshield. So always put a towel down. Now for this one, the driver's side is the longer blade. The shorter blade goes on the passenger side. So it's a very simple, quick release. There's a button right here. You're gonna push that in, and then you can slide this thing up. And then with two hands, just kind of slide it out. So this is our old one. I'm gonna take my new one out. And there's a little protective cover on here. Get rid of that. And now we're just gonna very gently slide it in there. There we go. And now I'll pick up the towel down. And now I'll just move to the other side. Same thing on this side. First thing I'm gonna do is lift that blade up. Put my towel down to protect it. And press that button. And then I just wiggle it sideways to get the old one out. And again, this is the shorter blade on the passenger side. Take the protective cover off. And again, we're just going to slide it in like that. Make sure the button comes through so you know it's locked in. Very gentle. Set it down. That's all there is to it. Just change the blades on your 2017 Mini Cooper.